Hey guys, so I am so excited. I just received my Ofra mystery box. I have never ordered a mystery box from Ofra before, but I am a huge fan of mystery boxes. I think the last one I received was from ColourPop, and that one did not disappoint. So when I saw Ofra had released some, at first I was like, I don't know if I need it. You know, I have so much makeup. But then I found a coupon code and they have 2 different sizes, so I was like, okay, maybe I'll get the small one. So I have the smaller one. There are 2 different options, and I have the website pulled up right now, and it looks like the small mystery box is still available. So this is $30, and you're supposed to get a retail value of over $120, I believe. Let me double check. Over $122. It says, shop our TBT box filled with 7 or more. Does that mean Throwback Thursday? I don't know, but shop our TBT box filled with 7 or more mini and full-size makeup and skincare items with a value of over $122 in value. It says all items are in non-rebranded packaging. Items in box may vary based on availability. So as of this time, it is still available, which is crazy because usually they sell it really fast. On the box it says it is shipped from Florida, so maybe that's why I got it so soon. They're still available, so definitely check it out. I can't see if the larger one is still available. Let me double check. So unfortunately the jumbo mystery box, which is $59 and has a retail value over $250, is sold out. There is an option to get emailed when it's back in stock, but like I said, this $30 box is still available, so definitely snag yours while you can. I'll try and post this the day I'm opening it. Since I do not have the large box, my friend Candace, Manic Makeup Mama here on YouTube, she is opening this box. I think she said she is tonight. So I'm going to link her channel down below if you want to see what she got in her box. I know I definitely want to see what she got, so go check her out. I love her channel anyways, and you will love her just as much as I do. So her channel will be linked below along with the link to this box. If you don't see the box right away on the website, they have like a little search icon, so just click that and type in mystery box and it'll come up. But anyways, I can't wait any longer. I haven't watched any videos, I have no idea what's in here, so let's get unboxing. So I've only tried Ofra highlights in their liquid lipsticks. I love their highlights so much. So I haven't tried, I don't think, maybe I might have like a single of some of their eyeshadows, I'm not sure, but I am really excited. I hope there's a variety of things in here for me to try. So when I open it, it says, thank you for shopping with Ofra, and then there's some plastic packaging, and inside, this is what I see. Oh, I forgot to mention, I'll leave the code I used also. I found a code that was like OFRABEAUTY in all caps, and I saved $10. Some people said it didn't work for them, but definitely try it out. So I was able to save $10. So this was $30. Then it took like 10 off, but with shipping and taxes, my total was like $26 for all this. So let's see if it's worth it. The first thing I see, it looks like a single shadow, or what is it, in banana powder? Or is it a banana powder for your face? Let's see, it says, got it refill used in palettes and kits. Let's take this out and look at it. So I don't know if this is like banana powder for under your eyes or what, because I know some people use it, but either way, this is like a pretty color. This could be used as a transition color. You know, makeup could be whatever you make it. And I think I see something in here that might be like a palette to put makeup in, so let me see. But again, there is the banana powder by Ofra. And the next thing I see is it says eye palette on there. So I don't know if this is something to store makeup in or if this is an actual palette or what. Oh, so I think this is a palette you actually put your makeup in. Let me get this open. On the back it says eye palette by Ofra, patent pending. I'm not sure if you could see that. Oh, so this is how you open it. For a second I couldn't figure it out. So this is like a Z palette, but it's Ofra's version. And yeah, just when I put this in, it just goes right there. So now I can show you better, and now I can store that. This is awesome. I know it's from Ofra. So, and then this just closes right over it super easily. This is awesome. I love it. I only have one Z palette and it's pretty full, so I definitely could use this. The next thing I see is a makeup fixer by Ofra. This is a light, refreshing mist that keeps makeup in place all day. So this is awesome. I'm getting to try other things by Ofra like I said I wanted. This is how to use mist onto the face after makeup application to set all day. No time for touch-up. Spray the makeup fixer on the face and use a tissue to pat dry to refresh your makeup. Apply a touch of compact powder to smooth complexion and have a velvety texture that can last all night. I'm excited to try this. I did not realize that Ofra made like such a variety of things, like a makeup fixer. That sounds like, if that works, that sounds like such a great item to have. Next up, I see one of their liquid lipsticks. This is the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Pasadena. I think I've heard good things about this. Oh, hi Archer and Emmy. There's a bunch of cats coming in, so gotta be on patrol that they don't get my new plants. This is so pretty, a color I would definitely use. Sometimes in mystery boxes, it seems like you get like the unwanted makeup that didn't sell well, but this color is beautiful, so I don't believe that's the case here. So that's awesome, because like, I think in the past, yeah, I've gotten some things that weren't great from other companies. This is my first Ofra one, of course. So I'm really happy about that. Oh my God, this is beautiful. Look at that color. It's so my color. I'm really into pinks and mauves. 1 second. Archer, get down. Get down. Come here. Hi, baby. Okay, I'd rather him be on this side where there's like a fake plant. So you can see his little butt sensor. Okay, so this is so cute. I love it. And then there is a lip gloss by Ofra. How fun. This is the Ofra lip gloss in Wish. This is like a light pink gloss. Looks super cute. Let's open it. That is like what the applicator looks like a typical lip gloss or lip balm. Ooh, and this is like very light pink, which I like. So you can put this over things or just wear alone. I'll probably like keep this in my purse to wear alone, because this is a great like everyday, like I love like a glossy look, and that light pink is perfect. So I'm so excited to have this. Oh my God, the next thing I see I'm so excited about because I need this in my life. This is Oprah Eye Gel Primer. So this is supposed to be an eye primer and I really need some. I just use like my Tarte Shape Tape like or whatever concealer I'm using under my eyes, and then I put it on. That doesn't like grip everything as well, like glitters and stuff like that. So I really hope this works well. This is awesome. I'm so excited. I just want to put a little bit out on my hand. This looks like a lip gloss, like the same type of applicator, but it is not. That would look kind of funny. So I'm just putting a little bit on. It's like the color of my skin, so even if I show you right now, you can't tell, but I think that will be great to use. I'm so excited. There's 2 more things in here. So this is a lip liner in Copper. I've never used their lip liners. I don't know why I'm saying that, because I told you that I've only ever used their liquid lips and their highlighters. But yeah, so this is in Copper. This is like an interesting lip color. Let's see. I guess if I'm wearing like a brown or a darker lip, this will come in handy because I don't have anything like this. So I could definitely use this in my collection. I don't know how often I'll use it, but I can definitely get some use out of it when I wear those darker colors. It'll make it actually a lot easier, because sometimes when you wear darker colors, I just get a little nervous because sometimes if you mess up, it's so obvious. So if you first line your lips, it'll make it so much easier and look so much better. So definitely happy to have this. And the last thing looks like, I don't know if it's a blush or a highlight or what. Let's see. It's nicely packaged in this bubble wrap. Oh my God, I'm so excited, you guys. This is a classic that I do not own. If I can get it out to show you. Come on. So this is Ofra highlighter in Pillow Talk. If you watch any YouTube beauty videos at all, you've heard of this. I am so excited. This is different packaging than the Ofra highlights I have. Let's see. Oh, there's like one little bubble wrap in there to keep it from pressing. It's so cute, and it worked. So this is what it looks like. So it's got like a little pink to it, which I actually like when I wear, like have a highlight with pink. Oh my God. I love their highlights so much. This is so pretty. Can you guys see that? It's like towards my wrist. I'm sure you could see it. Ofra highlights are amazing. I'm so happy. And this is one that I've heard talked about so often, and we got it in a mystery box, proving that they're not just giving us their like old, like crappy stuff. This is like good stuff. So they said we got 7 items, so let's go through it. So we got the Ofra highlight in Pillow Talk. So excited. This one. We got the eye palette, which is super awesome because I need more of these in my life. And inside the eye palette, we have the banana powder, which I'm pretty sure we use like as an under eye. But you can use it any way you want. So I have never used banana powder before. So I'm excited to try that out and see how it works on my skin and my complexion. So that is 3 items then. And then this beautiful liquid lip in Pasadena, which I feel like I've heard about, and it looks beautiful, and it's drying right now, so I can see what it'll look like. It is so pretty. Super excited to have this, and these retail for like $20. I don't know like their normal pricing for everything, but these I know the liquid lips are $20. I guess I can look on their website right now. I'm just curious like how much their highlighters are. Oh, they have Oprah foundation. Have you guys ever used that? I've never even heard anyone talk about it. So I'm seeing a few of theirs on here right now, and their highlighters look like they range, or their price range is like around $35. So that is more than the box itself. Awesome. Okay, so we have the makeup fixer, which is cool. I'm excited to try that. The eye primer, which I really need, and I'm excited. And then the lip gloss. So what is this? That's then I stopped counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That was so good, and I paid less than $30, and this is still available, so I'm hoping I will post this soon. I just filmed a few videos. If you guys know, my parents are in town. If you guys follow me, you already know this, so I'm like back and forth from like Micro Island and my place in Florida. So right now I'm home, obviously, so I'm trying to get as much done as possible, and this just came to my doorstep, and I am so happy it shipped so quickly and that it's still available so I can share it with you guys. So definitely check it out if you have not already and you love this kind of thing. I'm super happy with it. I think it was totally worth my $26, or even if I paid the full price of $30, definitely worth it. So anyways, thank you guys so much for unboxing with me. Don't forget to go check out Candace's video or Manic Makeup Mama's video if you want to see what came in the jumbo box. I can't wait to see. But anyways, love you guys so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.